Generative AI can write articles, compose music, create images, answer complex queries, and even mimic human conversations. But behind this power lies a machine that has no understanding, no conscience, and no sense of responsibility. It learns patterns, it predicts responses, and sometimes it gets things wrong. As creators, researchers, professionals, or casual users, we must understand the boundaries, risks, and good practices for using AI-generated content. In this module, we'll explore how to stay safe, legal, and ethical while harnessing the true potential of generative AI. First, fact-check everything. Generative AI tools can sometimes produce content that sounds confident but is factually incorrect or entirely made up, a phenomenon known as hallucination. For example, the following output from ChatGPT looks confident. Napoleon won the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. But in reality, he lost. In June 2023, a New York-based lawyer faced backlash after the court found that several legal cases referenced by him never existed. This happened as the lawyer blindly relied on the ChatGPT output. That's why always verify data and cross-check with reputable sources before use. Think of AI as an assistant, not as a truth engine. 2. Avoid plagiarism and copyright issues. You might think AI-generated text is always original, but that's not always true. AI learns from huge datasets which may include books, websites, or articles with copyright-protected content. Sometimes it may unintentionally produce verbatim or close replica of sentences from its training data. So, check the output through plagiarism detection tools if you plan to publish. Third, respect licensing and attribution. Different platforms have different rules. Some tools allow free use only if you give proper credit. Don't use the content commercially. Mention it was generated using AI. Always read the terms and conditions. If unsure, include a short disclaimer like, "Some content in this work was generated using AI tools." Transparency is key. 4. Don't generate harmful or misleading content. It's easy to forget how powerful AI can be. But here's the thing. AI can be abused. People have used it to generate fake news, create hate speech, manipulate public opinion, spread conspiracy theories. Please don't be one of them. Follow the rule of thumb. If you wouldn't say it publicly yourself, don't ask AI to say it. 5. Understand and address AI bias. AI is trained on human-created data, and human data contains bias. So, sometimes, AI may reinforce stereotypes. It may generate culturally insensitive or biased content, or favor dominant narratives over marginalized perspectives. So, review outputs critically. Bias awareness is a skill and a responsibility for every AI user. 6. Don't overtrust the tool. Remember, AI doesn't think or understand meaning. It doesn't care if it's right or wrong, it just predicts likely text based on patterns. So, if you're a student, don't use AI to replace your own thinking. A business owner, don't base big decisions on unchecked outputs. A developer, always verify and test the code it generates. Use AI to accelerate your work, not to outsource your brain. 7. Protect privacy and sensitive information. Never enter private, confidential, or sensitive data into a public AI tool. Why? Some platforms may store your inputs, others may use them to train future models. You may unknowingly expose personal, legal, or financial info. If privacy is essential, use tools that support local AI models or enterprise-level data privacy. Recap time. Let's quickly summarize what we've covered. 1. Fact-check everything. Avoid misinformation. 2. Check for plagiarism. Respect original work. 3. Understand licenses. Stay legally safe. 4. Avoid harmful content. Be ethical. 5. Watch for bias. Ensure fairness. 6. Don't over-rely. Maintain judgment. 7. Protect data. Comply with privacy laws. Generative AI is one of the most powerful technologies of our time. Used right, it can enhance creativity, productivity, and access to knowledge. Used irresponsibly, it can mislead, harm, or even deceive. That's why ethical prompt engineering is not just about writing clever inputs, it's about being an accountable human in the loop. So, as you continue your journey, ask not just, "Can I generate this?" but also, "Should I?"